Ever wonder why your car's fuel efficiency seems to be taking a nosedive? It is frustrating to watch your gas tank drain faster than your wallet can keep up. You might think it is your driving habit, but what if I tell you it might be your car sensors that are failing? In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 key sensors that directly impact your fuel efficiency, explaining how they work and what happens if they malfunction. Stick around until the end, because the last sensor isn't just important, it's the one that could put serious cash back in your pocket by cutting down your gas bill. Let's dive in. Sensor 5. Oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. The oxygen sensor is like your car's personal air monitor, quietly sitting in the exhaust manifold or pipe, measuring how much oxygen is left in the exhaust gases after combustion. This tiny device constantly sends data to your ECU, helping it fine-tune the air-fuel ratio for maximum efficiency. When everything works as it should, your engine runs smoothly, your emissions stay low, and your fuel economy remains sharp. But when the sensor begins to fail, the ECU gets false readings. That can cause the engine to run too rich, where excess fuel goes unburned, or too lean, where the mixture struggles to ignite. Both scenarios hit you hard at the pump: black smoke, fuel odors, and a noticeable drop in miles per gallon. In fact, a faulty O2 sensor can cut your efficiency by 15 to 40%, depending on how badly it's degraded. To clean it, disconnect the battery. Locate and remove the O2 sensor. Spray the tip with O2 sensor cleaner. Gently brush away carbon buildup. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. If cleaning restores performance, you've saved big. DIY costs are usually under $20. But if replacement is needed, expect to pay anywhere from $150 to $500, depending on parts and labor. A small investment that pays back in miles per gallon. Now, let's talk about the sensor that measures your engine's every breath. Sensor 4, Mass Airflow Sensor. The MAF sensor sits between the air filter and the intake manifold, quietly measuring every gulp of air your engine takes in. This data is essential for the ECU to calculate exactly how much fuel to inject for the perfect air-fuel mixture. With a healthy MAF sensor, your engine breathes easily, your acceleration feels smooth, and your gas mileage stays where it should. Problems start when the MAF gets coated with dirt, dust, or oil. Those delicate wires can't read airflow correctly, so the ECU ends up making bad guesses. Too much fuel? You're burning money with every press of the pedal. Too little? The car hesitates, idles rough, or even stalls. A dirty MAF can sap up to 20% of your fuel efficiency and make the car feel sluggish. Luckily, cleaning it is straightforward. Remove the intake tube to access the MAF. Disconnect the wiring harness. Carefully remove the sensor. Spray the sensor element with MAF cleaner. Never touch or scrub. Let it air dry fully before reinstalling. Cleaning costs little, usually $10 to $25 for the spray. Replacement, though, is a wallet punch at $240 to $680, including labor. Cleaning first could save you hundreds. Before we jump into the third sensor, take a moment to tap, like, and hit subscribe, because every tip we share is designed to help you save fuel and keep your car running at its best. Now, let's move to the third sensor, translator between your foot and the engine. Sensor 3, Throttle Position Sensor, TPS. Think of the TPS as the microphone for your gas pedal. Every time you press down, the TPS translates your input into signals that tell the ECU how wide to open the throttle plate. This ensures that the engine gets just the right amount of fuel at just the right time. When it's working well, acceleration is seamless, fuel economy stays steady, and your car feels responsive. When the TPS begins to fail, the the ECU starts misinterpreting your commands. That can lead to jerky acceleration, sudden stalling, and a noticeable drop in fuel efficiency, sometimes as much as 30% worse mileage. The check engine light often joins the party too. Before replacing, try cleaning first. Disconnect the battery to reset the ECU safely. Remove the intake duct to expose the throttle body. Locate the TPS on the side of the throttle body. Spray throttle body cleaner around the sensor and plate. Wipe away carbon buildup, reconnect everything, and reset the battery. Cleaning the TPS and throttle body costs $15 to $30 with the right cleaner. Replacement is pricier, averaging $150 to $400 depending on the vehicle. If cleaning solves the problem, you've just saved yourself serious money and restored your car's performance. Now, let's look at the system's pressure regulator, the fuel pressure sensor. Sensor 2, fuel pressure sensor. The fuel pressure sensor is your system's traffic controller, monitoring pressure in the fuel rail and making sure injectors deliver exactly the right amount of fuel. When it works, you get smooth starts, balanced power, and maximum efficiency. When it fails, the ECU can't balance delivery correctly. Too much fuel and you're wasting gas. Too little and the engine misfires or hesitates. Long term, it can overwork the fuel pump, leading to costly repairs. Here's how to clean it safely. Disconnect the battery. Locate the fuel rail and identify the pressure sensor. Carefully unplug the wiring connector. Remove the sensor gently from the rail. Spray electrical contact cleaner on the connector pins and sensor body. Allow it to dry, then reinstall securely. A quick cleaning usually costs no more than $10 to $20, while full replacement can set you back anywhere from $250 to $650 with labor. Though it isn't always a permanent cure, cleaning often restores accurate readings, sharpens fuel economy, and relieves stress on the fuel pump. Addressing it early not only saves money at the pump, but can also prevent bigger repair bills down the road. Finally, at number 1 is the strategist that keeps your engine efficient. Sensor 1, engine coolant temperature. Sensor. The ECT sensor is small but mighty. It constantly monitors coolant temperature, telling the ECU whether the engine is cold or warm, so it can adjust the fuel mixture. When it's accurate, your car warms up quickly, burns fuel efficiently, and performs at its best. When it fails, the ECU may think the engine is always cold. That leads to cold start enrichment, where extra fuel floods the engine non-stop. The result? Hard starts, black smoke, sluggish performance, and wasted gas. To clean it, disconnect the battery. Locate the sensor near the thermostat housing. Unplug the wiring connector. Remove the sensor carefully, only when the engine is cool. Spray the tip and connector with contact cleaner. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. Cleaning often fixes false readings, but if the sensor still acts up, replacement is the surest way to restore efficiency and smooth operation. Cleaning costs just $10 to $15, while replacement usually runs $120 to $250, a small price considering the fuel savings it delivers. There you have it, 5 key sensors whose malfunctions can cost you a significant amount at the pump. Cleaning and maintaining these sensors not only saves fuel, but also protects your vehicle's performance and longevity. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more money-saving car tips, and share your own sensor cleaning success stories in the comments below. And before you go, check out our next video on the secrets to keep your engine running like new. It's packed with simple tricks you'll want to know.